Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make this aloe vera powder that is good for your hair. Stay tuned to see how I achieve this powder. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to share reactions. In today's video, we're going to be making aloe vera powder. Okay, I've cut my aloe vera, then I've been soaking it in the water for about 30 minutes now. This is the half of it that I cut off from the aloe vera. Okay, as you can see, I cut this part off, then I put inside the water for about 30 minutes. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it out from this water, then I will pat dry. I will dry it up with a paper towel. I've already washed the aloe vera. I've already washed it, then I will just dry it up with this paper towel. Then I will slice it into a very little tiny piece, then we'll dry it. I'm just going to take my knife, then I will slice this part off. I take this part off, as you can see. I'll do the same with the other side. Then I'm going to cut it into very tiny piece so that it will be able to dry faster. This video was inspired by Discovering Natural. A link will be in the description box so that you can go and watch how she made our one too. Thank you guys for always watching my video. I really appreciate every one of you. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. God bless you all. I'm just going to pour it here. I'm just going to line it up. I'm going to spread it out. I'm just going to put it outside and allow it to dry in the sun. Okay, you can dry this in the oven if you want to, but it's sunny outside. The sun is so good, the weather is so nice. I'm just going to put it outside and let it dry. Okay, This is the next day. The aloe vera is well dried. As you can see, it's very dry and crunchy. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer into the blender and blend until it is finally smooth. This is the final result. It is very smooth. Watch out for the next video on how I'm going to use this powder for my hair routine. And this video was inspired by Discovery Natural. Please go check her out. I'm going to leave our link in the description box below. Go check her out, okay? Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Stay safe and stay blessed.